Baba is here. Baba has something for you. Wow, dump truck. Oh, your favorite. That's the one you like. What's wrong? Oh, give it to him, Baba.
Take it.
He's so excited. I don't know his reaction is like.
Yeah, you want to take it
Yeah.
out. He doesn't
And then the other one is there also. The other one is there. Wow. For the beach. For the beach. For the sand. Wow. And also the chart. Yeah, the animals. Look. He's more interested in the dump truck. No, the dump truck because he saw the dump truck in when we went to the beach. The boy was playing the same one, the green color or blue color. He's very happy. He's waiting, Baba. He's waiting. I'm waiting, Baba. Unboxing first. Baba is doing unboxing. Wow, dump truck. You like it? Do you like it, Zido?
Another dump truck also.
Yeah, please get the scissors, Baba. Unboxing again, Zido.
Yeah, another truck.
Yeah.
Yalla.
Dump truck. Which one you like more?
With the tools.
Yeah. If you are playing the sand, this one, the shovel. And what are these? It's like I think the frame molder for the castle.
Yeah.
Wow, big one. I think that's the same one, right?
Yeah.
The same one. What the boy was playing, no? Well, which one you like more, Zido? Both. Wow, he likes it because it's moving. You can.
This also moves.
Is there a sound or? Wow, there's a sound, baby Zaid. Oh. Ding, ding. Wow, nice. Wow, he knows. His reaction, huh? Look at him. Happy now. Say thank you to Baba. Say thank you. Say thank you to Baba. Say thank you first. Say thank you to Baba. Say thank you to Baba. The way to say thank you because he cannot talk, like it's only the expression. You also have the bubbles, Zido. Bubbles, the bubbles. Happy, be smile, Zido. Let me see yours. Smile.
Your car's down.
You light up, Zido. The other one also.
Where is your car?
Just play there, okay? Because we cannot go to the beach because it's so hot. It's like 47 degrees. You can play here inside the bathroom, okay? Huh? No, for them because I use the one
There is another
for
two.
them. Okay. The olive oil, chocolate, the green tea, and some for the kids. Shirts. What's the other one? I like the black one.
Oh, yeah, the black.
Yeah, for the house, no, it's fine.